Okay, welcome back to the Playing Hard YouTube channel. Here's segment 2 of replacing the fire brick in a Harman Mark III stove. It didn't take long. It's only about 10 minutes. Got it out, vacuumed it all out. Of all the bricks, I only had 2 good ones left. The rest were all broken, as you can see there. So, I'm going to put all new fire brick in. Well, not all new. You know, whatever's left that was good, I'm going to reuse that. I'm also going to leave a link in this video to Amazon, where I bought the brick. It was delivered in one day. I couldn't believe it, and it was so much less expensive than everybody else. So, let me get this on the road here. Put the new brick in, and then I'll show you the final product. Okay, if you like this, hit the subscribe and you know, like buttons, and we'll give you another video when this is finished. Okay, on to the next one.